All right. We talk about an emergency fund all the time. And that fund is going to act as a safety net in case of unexpected expenses, whether those are medical emergencies, home repairs, your HVAC goes out, you lose your job. It is recommended that we always like you to have at least 6 months worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. So how do you do that? Well, maybe it's through some investment opportunities. Having some money saved provides you with different opportunities to invest and potentially earn higher returns. Investments, whether they are stocks, mutual funds, real estates, or other alternative assets. We're going to talk today about some fixed indexed annuities. They have the potential to grow in value over time, and investing wisely can help grow your wealth and help you achieve your long-term financial goals, like a golden retirement, or maybe purchasing your first or second or third or final home. Okay. Knowing that you have a financial cushion allows you to handle emergencies without resorting to high interest debt or relying on others for assistance. Okay. Saving money, again, is essential for achieving your future goals, whether you wanted to buy another car, whether you want to travel, whether you want to start a business. By having that money, it allows you to allocate those funds towards your goals and aspirations. And systematically saving will help you make progress, turning your goals into a reality. And by making savings a habit and prioritizing it, you can improve your financial well-being, set yourself up for long-term success, and be better prepared to navigate any financial challenges that may rise. In other words, as my good buddy Jerry says, make hay when the sun shines.